Alright, taking a quick walk through here of 106A West 24th Street in North Newton, Kansas. This was Flint Hill's design last, but we outgrew the space and moved to a new place, and so now we're leasing the offices. This was my old office. It's a big office. It's like 18 by 20, plus it's got a little cutout. The building itself has 6 private offices, and they're all very large. Pops the actual size up on the screen, but they're all large and they all have a window. The building itself, we removed a lot of the drop ceiling and opened up to the old clerestory windows that were in here. And that was a fun remodeling process. The whole remodeling, building remodeling was done less than 5 years ago, around 5 years ago. Another office on the left, and here on the right, again you can see opening up to the clerestory windows and the uncovering the big old beams that someone had built offices in here previously, but we removed a lot of the offices and just created more open spaces. The room that we were just looking at was what we used as our conference room. So you can imagine a big conference table, fit 12 people around it right there in the middle. And the space that you're looking into is another big open space. It's over 20 feet by 20 feet. I'll again pop the actual dimensions up on the screen. There's the back door to the building, turning back around to the conference room. Up here on the right, we had a lunch table and a lounge area with 2 couches and a big chair and love seat. Here's a kitchen that we built. Built all the cabinets, installed it just a few years ago. All nice, brand new appliances. Everything's in great shape. Looks great. We also fully remodeled the bathrooms. The one here on the left, you can see me trying to get the motion sensor to go on. Has a urinal and toilet and sink. And a little mirror back over there, a fun little print we got from a paper supplier of ours. Second bathroom also has motion sensor lights and just a toilet and a sink, a little bit more space in that bathroom. There's another of the offices. This is the second biggest office. Dave is scratching his head on a problem, clearly. Good size office though, another window. So walking back through the length of the building, everything is wired so that the core lighting all turns on with one single light switch. That's really nice from the front or the back. This room we never got around to remodeling because we filled it up with storage immediately as soon as we moved in. And so it's another big open space. It's got several windows in it. Quite a few options as to what could be done, but we just left these as big open spaces for Flint Hill's design. We used them as a showroom space for just putting a few products on display, but again, they're just kind of a blank canvas. Here was another storage room. This one didn't even have carpet in it. You can see the insulation up in the rafters. We took all of that off in the other rooms. We uncovered a couple of clerestory windows here too. And in this back corner at the end of the hallway, the financial services company that used this last had some storage back here. Right now it's holding the leftovers from the remodeling project, but it would be a great place for more, document storage and so forth. So this has been a great building for us, Flint Hill's Design and Upland Exhibits, but we just simply outgrew it and needed more both design and manufacturing space, and so it's now available to lease. The building is located at 24th and Main in North Newton, which is super peaceful, and I'll take you outside here real quick. Here we had a lounge, we had some leather club chairs and a nice lobby for waiting for customers, for those that did drop by. There's a lighted sign out front, and it's nestled in. The address is off of 24th Street. That's Main Street that you can see there with the car driving by. And the outside of the building is relatively understated, but it looks nice.